Hi guys, what's up? This is Pallabi and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to wish all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. I know by the time I upload the video, Diwali is going to be over, but it is Diwali today while I shoot my video. So yeah, I'd like to wish each and every one of you a very happy Diwali. So for today's video, I decided to do a vlog. I have a few things planned for today. I'll be celebrating Diwali with my elder sister, and we'll head out to meet her right after I shoot the intro. I'll not tell you about the plans that we have for today because it is totally uncertain. One, because it depends on the energy we have left by the evening, and two, Bangalore traffic. So yeah, let's just head out and start the video for today. So after reaching, we quickly had lunch and started with the rangoli because this takes up most of the time. We picked up a pretty simple little design and started making the rangoli on the main entrance. Meanwhile, we also added the other decor items like this beautiful toran on the main door. We cleaned up the diyas and got them ready, put up some lights, and it was evening by this time, so we started to get ready now. We lit the diyas near the temple and near the rangoli. It got very windy by this time, so we had a real tough time setting the diyas up. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the final rangoli. The house looked very beautiful with all the fairy lights that we set up and the diyas. We added a few more flowers to complete the decoration, and soon after it started raining very heavily. We couldn't go outside, so we just stayed inside, clicked some pictures and enjoyed a yummy dinner that Preetha prepared. One more thing, isn't she looking absolutely gorgeous in this sari? So I'll close out today's video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.